Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.